Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today with an exciting video because it's always an exciting video when I have an unboxing. And today I have an unboxing from Beebeecraft. Now they have sent me products in the past and they asked me if I wanted to pick out some items again for me to unbox on here and to review. So I said yes because I love their items. And we're going to get into it, but before we do, I just want to tell you that their link will be in the description box, and they did give me a coupon code again for you guys. It is Lace10 for 10% off your order. So all that information will be down below. All right, let's get into it. This was a bigger package than I was imagining, so I don't want to flip it over because my address is on the other side, but wow. Alright, let me just kind of take one thing out at a time, but like put these other things to the side. Oh my gosh, I see something. So it's like such a larger quantity than I was expecting. All right, these are some wood tags. I've been wanting to try some wood tags out. So let's get into this. Should I just cut the bag? Okay, here we go. I have been looking for wood tags because, as you know, if you watch my videos, I've been experimenting with silicone molds and air dry clay. So I was wanting to and sorry about my voice, I'm still getting over a cold, but I've been wanting to put some of those air dry clay pieces onto like a wood hanging type of tag like this, and kind of working with that and seeing what I could come up with. So I'm super excited about this. I really like the round shape, and I think it's going to work well with some of the molds that I already have, but also with some other ones in here. So love that. Now this is some lace that I ordered, or I picked out, and it is so pretty. This looks very quality and it's so thick, and I love that so much of it is sheer because it just gives that cool illusion. I have a lot of things that I've collected over the years, but I feel like I need more lace like this, and there's quite a bit here, so I'm super excited about that. I think it's so pretty. I love the fact that it's so much of it is sheer. So I got that lace. This is just like, okay. All right, so this is 6 yards right here. I don't have the price. But I'll see if I can list them in the description box as well. If not, link the items. All right, I love that. Oh my God, this is so cute. I thought this would be a little bit bigger. These are silicone molds of little bows, and I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but I kind of like that they're so small because they're gonna work better in journals and in collage pieces, because it won't be so bulky. But I love these cute little bows. This one is so tiny. I think this can definitely be put into journals or collage layouts. Love that. I cannot wait to try these out. And I'm definitely going to be trying something with this, with those two items. All right, this is such a huge bag right here. I think there's a hole in this bag somewhere. Wow, that's a lot. It said it was 500 grams, and I did not know I didn't imagine how much that might be, and it's a lot. And I love this because it's just white and iridescent. I think it's going to go well in a lot of things. Again, I'm going to have the prices listed down below. All right. Now, I'm just always in love with this type of trim. I do have this in different colors, and when I saw this color, I thought it was so adorable. And I think it's going to work really well in the journal I'm working in now. I just love that. And I think this, just the iridescence of this, goes really well with this as well. Okay, let me see if I can trying to see where the leak is. All right, I think I'm gonna start experimenting with this. I have a bag of air dried clay here, and I think we're just gonna get started with a little bit of it in this mold because I'm just so curious. I will be doing a longer video experimenting, but I really want to try this out right now. Some of you guys gave me some advice on how to get this to work a little bit better after it's dried out. So what I ended up doing is taking a little piece and putting it into this Ziploc bag and putting just a little bit of water in here, and it did a great job, so thank you for those tips. All right, it's hard to know how much, and this is very supple now because I've been putting some water in there. I hope I didn't put too much. It doesn't seem too sticky though. All right, let's work with this. I think I need a little bit of a bigger piece. I'm gonna grab my butter knife as well. I think we're just gonna try a couple out, and then I'll come back in the next video with some more experimenting with this. I really like these bows because they really remind me of the 50s for some reason. That came out really easily, but I don't know if it got, yeah, it got a lot of the detail. It's so adorable, super adorable. But I think I'm going to press it in. Sorry, I'm having a little bit of a hard time talking right now because I'm a little bit congested. But I think I'm going to press it in a little bit more to make the edges more clean. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. The clay comes out super easily, and the detail is adorable. So let me put this onto this piece over here. Actually, this is not the sturdiest piece, so I'm just going to put it on this wood here so that it dries like flat. All right, let's go for a smaller bow with just this little bit. Let's do this one. So I think I'm just gonna kind of press it in there and then slice it away in sections like this so it's not pulling it out, although it still pulls it out. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of mold the part that's spilling over the top more evenly, and shave it away. I think using something smaller than this butter knife might help, but this is what I have right now. So I'm just going to try to make sure it's really straight and all the excess is gone. Let's push it in one last time. All right, let's see how this one looks. These are so pretty. They almost look like little buttons. That is so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put it on here too. Just gonna tap it to make sure it's like flat. So adorable. Does that look 50s to you guys? I don't know why it really looks 50s to me. Okay, let's do one more with this little bit that we have left. And you guys see how this air dried clay could last forever, especially because I'm using very small molds. And this is what I've been doing. I've just been taking this little water bottle here and just spraying just a tiny bit in. All right, let's go ahead and try this one right here. This piece pretty much dried up. Okay. All right. Just want to make sure it's really flush. I think I'm being a little bit perfectionist about this right now. Okay, let's unveil it. Super cute. Now there is a little bit excess right here. I think I'm going to try to cut it off. But these are so darling. I hope you guys come back to see what I end up doing with these. Cannot wait to experiment. But thank you so much for watching today. And if you want any information about the products that I've shown here today, please check in the description box below, as I mentioned before. But thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.